This 2025 Keystone Cougar Sport 2700BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mount Clemens, Michigan, 48043 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.